Hey guys, John Engel here, and today is a terribly gloomy day, so I thought what better way to cheer us up than to do a tour of the garage, and especially this one, which is my new space. So I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with it and what else is in the garage. All right, stay tuned. Alright, so the wife obviously has the first bay for her daily. We still have the Daytona and also Carson's little Range Rover. And then we have my daily driver and then the Bentley, while we can never forget the wonderful moped. Let's go check out the basement. The absolute best part about the basement now is I actually have some space in here. I know that it still looks a little bit packed, but it's so much better. Look, this is where the NSX used to be. Now I can actually have friends over. We can come chill over here in the lounge, watch a little TV while looking at the Model A. Still in the basement, we've got the Ferrari F430, we've got the Viper, we've got the Cobra R, the Corvette Z06, and the NSX. We still have the stock car and the Indy car down here. So the space is actually getting used very well. I have all the way in the back, I've got my shop, I've got the wall painted that I would like to have something done with, and then we've actually got wall covering all over down here now, whereas before it was still showing some of the bare wall. So it's looking a lot better down here. Oh, can't forget my little Honda, still have her. Just walk right by her and forget about her all the time. Alright guys, now time for my favorite new addition, which is a 30 by 50 garage. We bricked it to match the house. We stained the garage doors so that they look like the house. Let's take a look inside and see what all that space got me. Alright, so inside the shop, we've got the Z3M, we've got the Saleen S281, another Saleen S281, we've got the Prowler, and then the XKR. I also put a garage door in the back, that way if I had my truck and trailer, I could drive straight through and not have to actually stop, or park the truck and trailer in here so it would be locked up and secure. The new shop, nothing too special. The concrete slab has been sealed and it's exactly like the upstairs garage and the basement. As for the walls, there is no insulation in yet. That will all come once I do the electrical. On the ceiling, there is insulation to keep it from condensating. You don't want all of that dripping. So for right now, this space can store another 4 cars. So for a total of 9 cars inside of this space. Alright, so that kind of gives you an idea of the storage space that I have here at the house. Now, this has taken a long time to achieve all of this. I started building this shop in about June, and now it's the end of October. It took a lot longer, and there were obstacles along the way, and I have a video just on building the shop that's coming out soon. As for the basement, I still need to put a mural up on the wall, and I've actually contacted a few people about graffiti design, so hopefully that'll take effect. Everything takes longer than I originally anticipated, but the great thing is I finally have storage so I can put cars in. Now, that does set me back on putting my Aston Martin in here, and hopefully that will be coming soon. But at least in the basement and in the main garage, I have storage space again, and I still have a little bit of storage space left in the additional garage. Anyway, hopefully you like this. If you have, leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think we should do for the design of the mural. Let me know what you think about the space. If there's any questions, please feel free to ask. Like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.